5 weird sounds that Korean people make. So let's go. Number 5. Oh. When Korean people agree with what you're talking, instead of saying yes or we say oh. Number 4. When Korean people could not believe what you say or could not understand what you say, instead of saying what you say, we say Number 3. When Korean people realize something and finally found the answer, we say Number 2. 아이고. I don't even know why people say this, but my grandpa says it all the time. When we feel a physical pain or see something which is painful, we say 아이고. Number 1. Ash. When Korean people got mad or angry, we make this sound. If you let this video flip, my feeling is like ash.